everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when you encounter this problem that says no audio output device is installed in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So for that, let us begin. And the first thing we need to do is to go to our device manager. Let me just minimize this one. So we can go to our device manager by just making a right click here in the Windows icon, and then if you see this device manager option, please click on that. And then once this device manager window is open, all you need to do is just to go to system devices. So we have here the system devices, and the second one is the sound, video, and game controller. So we will go first with the system devices, and let us expand this one just by clicking this arrow before it. So once you click on that, you will see all the system devices here below this one. So the next thing we need to do is to go to high definition audio controller. So if you have such option there, so if you have that I'm sorry for that. So if you have that high definition audio controller option, all you need to do is just to select it. So I have here two options that says high definition. So all you need to do is just to update these drivers here. And how can you do that? Please make a right click on the option and then click on update driver. And then once you do that, you will be able to see here to how do you want to search for drivers. So all you need to do is just to first select the first option here that says search automatically for drivers. Once you click on that, once it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you can go back and then now choose the second one, browse my computer for drivers. And once you click on that, you will be able to have here the options on how you can browse for drivers on your computer. So if you want to search for drivers in the C drive, you can do that by simply going to this, or by simply clicking on this drop down arrow here and choose your C drive and then click on next. But this time we will just first try to pick this, or try to select this let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So once you click on that, you will be able to see all the compatible hardware or drivers, the driver versions of your device here under the model. And then all you need to do is just to click or select for a certain driver, and then once you have selected, just please click on next. And then after clicking on next, it will be installed in your device, and then just make a quick restart. See if there is already an audio and see if the problem is already fixed. But if it's still not fixed, then you can go back to this window and then go and try clicking or selecting another driver if you have 2 to 3 drivers here. So please just try each and every one, and then once you're done, just make a quick restart after each trial. Okay, so once you're done with this one, just do the same with the other high definition audio controller option. So please click on that, make a right click, click on update driver, and then go first with the search automatically for drivers. And when it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you can go back and then you can try the second option, browse my computer for drivers. Okay, so once you're done with this one, let me just exit this one. We can now minimize the system devices, and then we can now go to sound, video, and game controller. Select it, click on the arrow before it, and then here we will look for Realtek, or the main audio that we have. So as you can see here, I have these are all Bluetooth devices that I have connected in my device. So we will be looking for the Realtek, or the main drive in your device. So this one, Realtek audio. So once you have seen it, please make a right click on that, click on update driver, and then you will be able to see this window here. Just do the same with what we did with the other drivers that we have selected before. So first select the search automatically for drivers, and then select the second one after. Okay, so after this one, just make a quick restart with your device and you're good to go. But if we want also to update your driver in the, or get some updates, like latest updates from the internet, you can also do that by opening your browser there, and then in the search tab, please type Realtek and then click on enter, and you can download from this website. So just please make sure that you download from the manufacturer website itself. And if you also know driver the driver that you are using in your device, you can also look for it and then try to see if there are latest driver versions for that driver. Okay, so you can just download it and install it from here, and after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.